If you're interested in setting up a trust, I highly recommend that you speak to an estate lawyer and also a family lawyer. Some common types of trusts that we deal with are testamentary trusts, alter ego trusts, and joint spousal trusts. Testamentary trusts are like the really common thing that happens when somebody dies. So the executor takes their assets and distributes them to the beneficiaries from their will. Alter ego trusts and joint spousal trusts are both ways that people can maximize their tax exposure, or rather minimize their tax exposure. In those cases, we generally consider those assets to be family property. Discretionary trusts are really where the rubber hits the road with family law. A discretionary trust grants the trustee, which is the person who distributes the money from the trust, sole discretion to make all of the decisions about how much money to give to the beneficiaries. So the beneficiaries who are receiving the money have almost no control over what's going on with the trust fund. This is generally considered to be excluded property, but when the spouse has a vested interest, the spouse is able to transfer the property to themselves, or the spouse can terminate the trust or terminate part of the trust, then the court may consider that to be family property.